Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. I'm your English teacher from Nurture International School, Islamabad. Dear students, today I'm going to teach you unit number 3, that is at the farm. So before starting the lesson, let me explain you the contents. In the first session, we will do reading and explanation. In second session, we will learn word meanings. In third session, we will write question answers on our notebooks. Then we will do an activity that is working with words. After that, we will learn about language. Then we will do another activity that is listening and speaking. And at the end, we will do our workbook. So let's start our session number 1, that is reading and explanation. Please open page number 23 of your textbooks and write date on the top right corner. Very nice. At the farm. Have you ever visited a farm? What work is done on a farm? Any idea about it? No? Okay, let me explain you. People do planting, fencing, watering, and milking on a farm. They keep different animals like goats, sheep, buffaloes, chickens, ducks, and horses on a farm. Okay? And who works on a farm? Any idea? Yes, very right. Farmers. They work on farms and they grow crops, fruits, and vegetables there. Okay? So let's start our today's session at the farm, and it's reading and explanation. And we will see and we will learn that different animals, how they are kept on a farm, and how Sami, Nida, and Maryam, they had fun on their holiday. Okay? So please be very attentive and put your fingers here. It is Sunday. The children are visiting the farm. Sami and Nida are riding the horses. They are going slowly. Maryam is playing with the kittens. Okay, so what is the day? Sunday. Yes, everybody's favorite. So it is Sunday and children, they are visiting the farm. Please look at the picture that is drawn in your books. Yes, Sami and Nida, they are riding the horses and they are going slowly. And you can see Maryam too. She is kneeling on the ground and she is giving something to the kittens, and the kittens, they look quite happy. Okay? And you can see cows too. The cows are in the barn. Barn. B-A-R-N. Barn. Okay, barn is a building where the animals are kept and where the cows are present right now. Okay? This is a barn. And what are they doing? They are eating grass. The chickens are looking for worms. Yes, you can see 3 chickens there. And they are looking for worms because worms are their favorite food. Okay? The dog is barking at the cat. You can see a dog and a cat too. The cat, it is standing on a branch of a big tree. Okay? And the dog is barking at her. The lambs are playing in the field. You can see 2 little lambs there as well, and they're playing. Right? And the farmer is driving the tractor. You can see a farmer too. He's wearing a green shirt and he's driving the tractor very fastly. So we are done with our reading. You can do it again by yourself, right? So we can see here 3 children, Maryam, Sami and Nida. They went to a farm and they saw different animals. They took rides and they played with them. And they really had fun. So you need to now underline the difficult words. Please underline children, visiting, riding, slowly, playing, kittens, barn, chickens, worms, barking, lambs, field, farmer, driving, and tractor. I hope you have underlined all these words. Very nice.